Finance reporting. As part of the Finance module, you are provided with an out-of-the-box finance report dashboard. This allows users to quickly derive information on financial performance via invoices and bills information. To access your This dashboard, go to Finance in the Explorer sidebar and then navigate to Finance Reporting. The Finance Reporting dashboard will now open on your screen. Here, you can observe two sections. The first section provides information about the invoices. Here, you can find a status-wise information about the invoices raised. Each status box depicts total value, average value, and the total value of invoices that have crossed payment due date. The bar chart here visually represents the month-wise total value of invoices. The second section provides information about the bills. Just like the Invoices section here, you can find status-wise bill information. Each status box depicts total value, average value, and the total value of bills that have surpassed the payment due date. The bar chart here visually represents the month-wise total value of bills. Hover your mouse pointer over a bar to let the system display the title and figures in numbers.